Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Targetlines. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn your frames around, almost like if you're going to put them on. And the next step is you want to go ahead and locate the top portion and the bottom portion of your frames, right here and here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull out a little bit. And as you're pulling out, you want to push the lens forward. So you should hear a pop, like that. And once you hear that pop, don't worry, it's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. Same thing over here. Top portion and bottom portion of the frame. You're going to pull out ever so slightly as you push the lens forward. Let's try it. And you should hear that pop. Now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, same thing. You're going to want to turn your frame around and locate the grooves inside the frame. Once you've located those grooves, go ahead and line up your lens to those grooves. And you're going to push forward and you're going to hear that pop again. Once you hear that pop, go ahead and run your thumbs right along the edges of the lens, just to make sure that it's seated in correctly. Same thing for the other side. Go ahead and locate your grooves. Line up your lens to those grooves, and as you line up, push forward. Hear that pop. And now you're good to go. So once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or lenses, please feel free to always give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.